Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media's logbooks. We hope you will appreciate this segment on fire separations.
Exit stairwells are the safest place in a building during a fire because of the solid concrete walls. On a monthly basis, ensure that all fire separation doors close properly without assistance. If these doors do not close properly, the stairwell could act as a giant chimney during a fire. Make sure that these doors are not propped open and that the door closers are strong enough to shut the door properly. Also check that all door and frame fire labels are visible and not coated with paint or obstructed from viewing. Fire dampers are designed to block fire from spreading from one occupancy to another. Check that the fire dampers and fusible links have not been tampered with. In your fire logbook, identify what type of fire separation is included in your building and record the building locations of each unit. Indicate observations with an S, US, or NA for not applicable. Record any unsatisfactory remarks on the separate monthly remarks page following the monthly report, and then conclude your report by signing in the space provided.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.